हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आपको भी इंग्लिश पढ़ने लिखने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो आज की इस क्लास में आप शुरू से लेकर अंत तक बने रहिए। आज की इस क्लास में हम इंग्लिश रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस कराने वाले हैं और हमारे साथ साथ आप भी इंग्लिश बोल बोल कर पढ़िए। इससे आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ने लिखने में आसानी होगा। तो चलिए क्लास में आगे बढ़ते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। चलिए देखिए, ए मैन इज नॉट नेसेसरीली हैप्पी बिकॉज ही इज रिच और अनहैप्पी बिकॉज ही इज पुअर। द रिच आर often seen to be unhappy, the poor to be happy. Millions will always remain poor. Observing all this, our ancestors dissuaded, इसको पढ़ेंगे dissuaded us from luxuries and pleasures we have managed with the same kind of plow as existed thousands of years ago. We have retained the same kind of cottages that we had in former times, and our indigenous education remains the same as before. आगे देखिए फिर है, we have had no system of life corroding competition. Each followed his own occupation or trade and charged a regular wage. It was not that we did not know how to invent machinery, but our forefathers knew that if we set our hearts after things, we would become slaves and lose our moral fiber. They therefore, after due deliberation, decided that we should only do what we could with our hands and feet. They saw that our real happiness and health consisted in a proper use of our hands and feet. चलिए देखिए, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है, दे फर्दर रीजनड डेट लार्ज सिटीज वर ए स्नेयर एंड ए यूजलेस एनकम्ब्रेंस and that people would not be happy in them, that there would be gangs of thieves and robbers, prostitution and vice flourishing in them, and that poor men would be robbed by rich men. They were therefore satisfied with small villages. चलिए नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ देखिए फिर। दे सॉ डेट किंग्स एंड देयर swords were inferior to the sword of ethics, and they therefore held the sovereigns of the earth to be inferior to the rishis and the fakirs. A nation with a constitution like this is fitter to teach others than to learn from others. This nation had courts, lawyers and doctors, but they were all within bounds. Everybody knew that these professions were not particularly superior. Moreover, these wakils and vaids did not rob people. नेक्स्ट है फिर, दे वर कंसिडर्ड पीपल्स डिपेंडेंट्स, नॉट देयर मास्टर्स. जस्टिस वाज टॉलरेबली फेयर. दे ऑर्डिनरी रूल वाज टू अवॉइड कोर्ट्स. There were no touts to lure people into them. This evil too was noticeable only in and around capitals. The common people lived independently and followed their agricultural occupation. They enjoyed true home rule. फिर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है, द इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एज described by me has been so described by its votaries in no part of the world, and under no civilization have all men attained perfection. The tendency of Indian civilization is to elevate the moral being that of the Western civilization is to propagate immorality. The latter is godless. The former is based on a belief in God. So understanding and so believing it behooves every lover of India to cling to the old Indian civilization even as a child clings to the mother's breast. फिर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है, आई एम नो हेटर ऑफ द वेस्ट, आई एम थैंकफुल टू द वेस्ट फॉर मैनी ए थिंग आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम वेस्टर्न लिटरेचर, बट आई एम thankful to modern civilization for teaching me that if I want India to rise to its fullest height, I must tell my countrymen frankly that after years and years of experience of modern civilization, I have learned one lesson from it, and that is that we must shun it at all costs. तो दोस्तों, आज का क्लास अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो इस क्लास को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइए आज का क्लास आपको कैसा लगा है, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए। और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। हम लाते रहते हैं इसी तरह के इंग्लिश रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस का क्लास। मिलेंगे फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में। आज के लिए इतना ही।